The following video is proudly presented by MightyOxTrading. All information contained in this video is for educational and entertainment purposes only. It is not financial or investment advice.
Good morning and welcome to MightyOxTrading. Happy Thursday. Hope everyone's had a great night and ready for a great day. Morning, Burrow. You're here early this morning. Nice to see you. Markets. Let's see what they've been doing overnight. Big fall yesterday afternoon. They've been kind of choppy here in the overnight. ES low 48.93. The high has been 49.04, so about 11 points of range there. NQ bottomed out in Asia, 589. High 664, so about 80 points in range. Copper, about 80 ticks in range. Gold coming down, about 7 points in range, tighter range than we've been seeing overnight. About 1 point in range in the Ultra Bond. Crude been rising up, although now it's pulled back to about mid-range. About 120 ticks. You see natural gas rising up there nicely as well. And Bitcoin back under 40K. So that's the way it sits stand there, whatever body posture you're choosing to take this morning. I want to see someone trade standing on their head. Morning, Sid. How are you? Missed a nice rise up when I was still sleeping here. Between 6 and 7 Eastern. Crude just pulled back. And now everything looks like it's heading down. Glad to hear that. Dow falling. So I was looking at news, and I don't see anything that causes this on the Dow. And the Dow's the only one that did it. The Dow at 6:30 Eastern, the Dow took an 80, about 130, 135 point dump down. I don't see that. It did not happen on NQ. In fact, NQ started going up at that time. ES was choppy, but the Dow just done it. That was a quick fall. and I don't see any reason why. So, news. We have lots of news coming up. Start spreading the news. In just 10 minutes, the Europe Central Bank interest rate decision. They're expecting no change. Then in 25 minutes, U.S. initial jobless claims, U.S. durable goods, and U.S. GDP quarter over quarter advance. And a few smaller reports as well. PCE price advance, PCE prices, so on and so forth. Chicago National Activity Index. And at 10 o'clock, U.S. new home sales. 10:30, natural gas inventories. So lots of news. All the news that's fit to print. I think the market's chilling a bit, awaiting those news reports. We're starting the day up $82.46 from last night's Asia session. I did not take another trade after the Asia stream ended. Yes, definitely looks like a choppy chart. It's hanging on those EMAs. Dow continuing to fall. Bounce on crude oil. Yawning. Feels like this has been a long week. I'm not sure why. Body's still getting adjusted to the no carb protocol. Morning, JC. How are you? Everything okay with your dog? ECB rate decision coming up in less than 4 minutes. Okay. I'm doing all right. Uh, I reset the eval yesterday using that free reset. It's up 473 right now. And I have 7 trading days to either pass or cancel. Yeah, I'm watching UV. I'm gonna look for a setup on it. Let's see, full clip UV. ECB rate decision coming up less than a minute. Actually, less than 2 seconds. Let's see what the market does, if anything. No real response yet. Let's see. I would need 18 ticks, 19 ticks on UB, full clip to pass. So it might take 2 full clips. I mean, it might take two try. Well, that's true. I can't actually. I have a consistency rule, so actually 9 and 9 over 2 days. So yeah, that's doable. ECB rate decision, they left it alone. Yep, 4.5%. Blue candle here in NQ. Let's see where it closes. Russell popping. Gold popping. Dow trying to push up as well there. Oops. Did I hit? So remember, we have a lot more news coming up in about 12 minutes. Whole gaggle of news, a bevy of news, a cacophony. Not even sure that's a word. A cornucopia of news. So it looks like the Russell is the most excited about the ECB rate decision. See here where it's 17,652 on blue candle rising up. We've kind of double topped here at 663, 664 earlier. So we triple top. Wait. Okay, that's a little lower. 655. Sorry to throw you off looking at it. Yeah. ES rising up nicely. We're long on NQ. First target 662, slightly below that high. Second target would be above that. It's 2 contracts, should have only done 1 here, I think. Yeah, look at that, coming right down for my stop. So looks like I might be putting in a lower high compared to these. And might want to come down. Ultra Bond just opened, and it's pulling down as well. Pulling back after a nice rise up. A 10-minute chart. That would have been right there. Would have been a nice take on there. Come on back up. Yeah, there we go. Come on up. Someone go in and buy about 1,000 NQ contracts for me. Just joking. SEC, don't shut me down. I'm not telling anyone to manipulate the market. Almost back to my entry. Hey, there we go. Back to my entry. See if we can get above the wick of this candle, which was 659. Crude's popping. Blue candle there on crude. Like he's struggling to get above the 58, 59 area. Let's see if it can burst through. Yep. Blue candle went away on crude. Dow sent a blue candle at the same time NQ did. So far, Dow would have been the better one to take, but we'll see what happens. Ooh, big pullback there on the Ultra Bond. Ultra Bond down 8 ticks. I will not hold this trade into the cacophony of news coming up in 5 minutes. So it's got to decide what it wants to do here. Unfortunately, bad feeling. Let's see. Ah, yeah, that's not looking healthy anymore. So out of that trade with a nice sizable loss. $395 on that loss. So we're back down to just about break even on the account now. Dow would have been my winner there instead of the NQ. Dow's popped up 45, then 68, 23 to 25 points. Popping back up here. Okay, lots of news coming up in 15 seconds, so be careful. Ooh, whoosh. Shoots from 649 down to 613, pops back up to 632. Gold whoosh. Wow, look at the Ultra Bond. Wicks on both sides. Dow pulls back. Everything pulls back. Russell pulling back. Gold popping back up. Let's see what the numbers were here. U.S. initial jobless claims 214K. They expected 200K. So that was a miss. U.S. durable goods, 0. They expected 1.5. That was a huge miss. U.S. GDP quarter over quarter advance 3.3. They expected 2. So really mixed numbers. And we're back to a blue candle on NQ. NES and the Dow. And gold is almost. Look at that wick on gold. Gold's got a big wick. Excuse me. And back up. Rising up. Way up. So I hated the news and then loved the news. Now we're up 30 points on this candle after dipping almost over 30 points. Everything, look at this, green everywhere. Everything we're watching. Gold's now back to green. Russell, the Ultra Bond's back to green. Crude. Everything. Except for natural gas. Natural gas hates it. New high of day on the Ultra Bond. Big new low of day there on this gold. Copper back green as well. Yeah, gold's happy now after being very, very sad. It dropped 12 points, over 12 points, and now it's up by over 3. ES back above 4,900 now, 4,910. So technically a trigger candle, but Pulling back a tad. Wait for things to go back to normal. Yeah, we're still rising up. So I think we're definitely a high day. Yesterday high, which is all-time highs, 793. So about 100 points away from there. ES 49.33. So about 20 points away. Dow, like I said, had that weird drop in the middle of the night. It's not even back at its high day, even with this candle that's up 110. Should have full clipped that blue candle in NQ. 10 points would have been 3K. Excuse me 1 second. Pulls back a bit now. Green everywhere. So I should have trusted the blue candles. But next. Enjoying the stream, or you expect to enjoy today's stream? I appreciate you hit that thumbs up button. Pulling back a tad here. New candle. Flirting with purple. It's a purple flirter. So let's see how this holds in the next 3 minutes. I hate trying to be patient. Got purple candles on the Russell and the Nasdaq. Not quite on the Dow and the ES. Crude still rising up here. Crude's high of the day was around 76.37. It's about 20 ticks off that. So still watching. Purple candle went away here, but it's still on the Russell. Purple candle's back. Trying to confuse me. Smaller candle. It's about 9 points. And there it went away. Ultra bond still green. Everything else is kind of pulled back. And the NQ candle went back to green here, less than a minute to go on it. Still trying to move up. Can it get reclaimed 17,700? So did we hit 700 earlier? Yeah, we did. We did get above 700. 704. Trying to get back up there. Not giving me anything I want to grab here, though. Anybody else taking any trades yet this morning? Yes, pulling back a bit. Gold, everything's kind of eh. Technical trading term right now. Eh. Good. Excellent. Pull back there on the Ultra Bond a bit. 2 minutes to go on these 5-minute candles. And Q continuing up. Trying to get above that 704 from 2 candles ago. And there it goes. Dow still heading up. Hello, Nick. More market commentary, but there's a lot of we talk about educational type things as well. There's lots of good knowledgeable traders here, but it's more me taking trades or not taking trades and that type of stuff. And welcome to the stream. Cool. I'm glad you found this. And hanging right on 17,700 on NQ. Gold pull back down to 2018. Dow with a purple candle. Feels like the market's struggling to get through this level here. Like might be looking for a short, but not gonna bias. Last night on the evening stream, a couple people thought might see a big dump today after the news. So far, not yet, but we'll see. Yeah, absolutely, Nick. This is a very friendly community. We like to help each other out. We joke around. We have fun, and we trade. Most people trade way more profitably than me. I do. But so Russell's coming down again. Ah, I missed that purple candle there on the Ultra Bond, actually. Market seems unsure of itself, kind of consolidating. Chickens. Evening stream is a lot of chicken talk. So Nick, are you how long have you been trading, and are you using your own money? Are you using prop firms? And if I'm just nosy, so if you don't want to answer the question, just tell me to bug off. That's fine. I won't take offense to it. Wow, 9 years, nice. So definitely way more experience than me. NQ continuing to rise now. ES, Dow, everything's decided to pop back up. We're long on gold. Upper middle there. Just blow that chart up. It's gonna be one of those I'm gonna regret not taking the 10 ticks. What's our? Yep, back down to my entry. So I could have got a quick 10 ticks, and instead it's back to my entry. Oh, look at that. And Q up to 17,715. Uh, Top of the hour coming up. Under 4 minutes. $126. Oh, okay. And now it's pulled back 10 ticks. Oh, my mistake for not deciding to take that quick hit. Let's see. It hasn't stopped me out yet. Crude oil popping up here right before its market opens. Sounds like a good story, JC. Hopefully it doesn't range in between those two numbers all morning. Never quite hitting your fill target. So about a half an hour till the bell. Markets have had a nice move up after news. Do have more news in an hour. Probably not as impactful, but keep it in mind. See what the top of the hour brings us. Gold here, still playing with my emotions. So that story you're sticking to just changed. I'm kidding. And now we're coming down. Hope John DeFore's okay. Usually he's here by now. He must be resting, sleeping in. He's dealing with COVID. I hope Crypticon's okay. Haven't seen him yet this morning. He was worrying me last night. Crude on its market open continued up. I don't like to take a blue candle into crude's open, but obviously, so far it's heading that way. Gold still torturing me here. Ultra bond looking a little choppy. Russell's setting a high blue candle there. I'm not really interested in that. Gold's back in my entry. There we go. Come on. See what it wants to do here. Come on, push up. Got up to 2021.3 on this candle. I'm in at 2024. 2020.4. I think. No, I'm at 2020.1. Sorry. It didn't look right. Looking to see if it wants to climb back up to that news candle high, which was at 2023.8. Q's pulling back a bit. Well, there's a quick burst up there while I was checking NQ of the 2021.0. We're going to move our stop up to the bottom of this blue candle because that would have been an entry for me if I hadn't already been in on a blue candle, the previous blue. Pulling back. Ooh, that'd be quite the drop, wouldn't it? Ouch. Morning, Ace. How you doing? Good to hear. Okay, give me 1 second. The handshake or the hug? There's the handshake. Ooh, look at this. Gold's going. And give me 1 minute and I'll get the hug. We're up 16 ticks here, 17 ticks. Let me finish this gold trade real quick. Part of me says I should get out here. Oh, no, you're not derailing at all. I'm a great multitasker. It's still wanting to go, so let's see. Here is the hug. There we go. There's Ace and RJ. Oh, I can do that. Move my stop to break even. Did you see the hug, Ace? Mrs. Ace see that? Yeah, okay, awesome. Pull back on me. Coming back up. This is a badly managed trade. Marshall Mason? Marshall Mathers? There we go, coming back up. I almost jumped out of that trade. What's NQ doing? I kind of forgot about NQ. NQ's still rising. We are 17 minutes from the bell. Oh, my target got hit. Boom. So there we go. That was a 38 tick winner. $380 on gold. Boom. Back up by $54 on the day. So I entered off the blue candle, pulled back on me a couple of times, but there we go. Nice, nice, nice. Crude still rising. Dow still rising. Thank you, Ace. Thank you, JC. I just wish I'd done like 10 contracts there and we would be having a great day. NQ still rising up. ES pulled back a little bit. Now it's rising up. Dow rising up. Everything's rising. Yep. Ultra bond up to 126.03. Getting closer to JC's entry. So all-time high was hit yesterday at NQ 17,793. Are we going to get back up there today? These are the hard-hitting questions we ask here at MightyOxTrading. Gold still trying to rise. Russell still trying to rise. JC, ask and you shall receive. As soon as I find my software. Ace as a wrapper. If Nick's still here, he's like, what the heck? Told you we have fun here. in between trades. Crude oil heading up 76.45. I think that's a new high today. It is. Yeah, that one took 3 tries, Ace. I didn't like the first 2. Good. Glad you're still here, Nick. Sometimes our silliness can be a little silly, but yeah, we're just lighthearted. I didn't even look. Oh. Oh. Oh, that's just the stem of the ace of spades. But yeah, I can see what you mean. So 1 for 2 on the morning. The win was bigger than the loss. So that's a good thing. Still up green as we head toward the bell. So I said I didn't like that blue candle in the Russell, but it would have worked. So I don't like it when they're floating way high like that. All right, good luck, Ace. Or should I say word? Oh. Gold, purple candle pullback. There you go, bond pulling back a little bit. Crude just going straight up right now. And Q hovering here, maybe found the top. ES pulling back a bit. All the indices are pulling back a bit. Crude pull, everything's all of a sudden pulling back just a tad as we head toward the bell. Apex flash sale until January 29th. 80% off all accounts, and you can pass in one day. No minimum trading days, basically. Link and codes in the video description below. If I was a betting man, I would say at the open, NQ is going to come down. Just a thought, though. Yes, popping back up. You still in that trade, Ace? Oh, there's your 2 points. Oh, really? Oh, huh. My chart says it touched 1950, so I thought you got it. Sorry. Sorry. I jumped the gun. Ooh. One point's better than no points. And I should have taken the short on NQ off that purple candle. Gold still hanging at 2022.6. Crude oil pulled back just slightly. Ultra bonds kind of sideways. Dow's pulled down a little bit. ES is pulled down a little bit. We're hanging about 714. Yep. Russell just rebroke 2000 on it. I haven't looked at what the all-time highs are of Russell if we're there or not. So let's look at that real quick because we have nothing else to do for the next 2 minutes. Daily chart. Boom. No. Russell's not. Wow, Russell's not even close. It's not even trying. 2097. Yeah, it looks like 2097 is the all-time high on the Russell, so it's got a ways to go. Yep, as they said, we have 2 minutes to go. Places, everyone. Let's see, just trying to pop back up green right here before the bell. Minute to go. Hey, RJ. Good morning. Russell pulling back here. Ten seconds. Pulling back. ES down 3.5. NQ down 21. YM down. Everything's red. We're burning red. Crude with a purple candle. Everything with a purple candle. NQ down 27 points. An overnight low touch trade would be a big fall. Russell, blue. Dow's back to green. ES coming back up some. NQ now down 34. Wow, NQ continuing to fall, down 44 points here. Gold's pulled back by 2. Dow's up slightly. Crude's pulled back by 18 ticks, not points. That'd be really something. Push him back up a little bit. NQ's gained back about half the candle. After retreating here with a minute to go on this for opening 5-minute candle. ES is almost back to being a green candle. Nice ace. Nice. Seem to be struggling to go back up. Gold with a blue candle. Do have news at the top of the hour. U.S. new home sales. Excellent ace. See what Tesla did at its open after their horrible. Oh, yep, continuing to move down. Horrible earnings report yesterday, I guess. They're dragging the market down. Microsoft dipped big time on layoff news, but came back up. I'm sorry. That's Meta, not Microsoft. Microsoft is continuing to dip. RJ does not just jump in. He goes for precision strikes. And Q back above 17,000. Gold heading up. So the market doesn't want to die. Excuse me a second. Someone's asked for a screenshot of the for this Tesla chart. So give me 1 second. Doop, 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 doop. Oops, that's not what I wanted to do. There we go. Hanging right below 700. Market seems undecided what it wants to do. What does it want to do with its life? Ultra bond popping a little bit. Gold pushing up a little bit again, back up to 2024. Russell coming down. That purple candle would have been a good entry. Can't keep forgetting the Russell's there. There's Krug pulling back. Market looks like it's trying to turn red. ES dipping below its 20. AQ as well. All right, good luck on that, JC. Nice pop. Yeah, I like that pop area right there. Moved down fast. All agriculture seems depressed today. Oh, nice. That's a nice quick trade, JC. Yeah, popping back up a little bit on NQ and crude. Crude purple candle went away, or did for a second. It's going to be like a last second decision here. Soy, terrible for your health, but great for profits. NQ still falling. Ooh, crude bounced. Blue candle up. Nice, Sid. Green is good unless it's the color of your bread. Remember, news at the top of the hour. Be wary of that. Back up on NQ. Nothing much going on here. Nothing I want right now yet. Natural gas continuing to make a free fall there. Welcome back, Burrow. Yeah, I think I've lost a lot of viewers to Topstep TV, honestly. Or maybe I lost them to Patrick Whelan. And back up. Blue candle there on NQ. It was below my signal line, so really, not really interested. But you can see that it was a hanging man or whatever you call that candle, and it's up nicely. Sorry about the background noise. Trade against Hogue. I mean, honestly, I kind of, when I do tune in and look at Michael Patok's trading, I'm always kind of surprised how often he's down. It's like, dude, not sure I would continue to put that out there as the CEO of the company. CL off that blue candle is rising up. Continuing to make new highs a day, I believe. Yes, look at that. Crude running. All right now. Oh yeah. I mean, I've never checked it out that closely, honestly. Look at totals at the top, but purple candle here. I am taking this if it holds. It's got 2 minutes on it though. gone away. It's back. 90 seconds. I just looked, and Patrick Whelan has 2,400 current viewers. I have 10. Absolutely, I agree. I mean, if we try to, like I said, I mean, we have a good community. I just wish, you know, we used to have like 30 people here at a time, and just not exactly sure what happened. I'm not sure if people got tired of me not being profitable or what. So it was a purple candle, but there we go. We got a short there. And that was maybe a bad decision. Oh, I know, but people get enamored by the big numbers he puts on his thumbnails. People want to see, people going for $30,000 instead of 200. Right, exactly. I have no problem. Yeah, I don't ever. I have always said I never wanted to be that big. It's I liked it when I was like 30. My total watch time on lives used to be around 100 total watch hours. You know, now it's like 40. It just, I mean, like I said, it's just weird that I've gone that much backwards. I was just wondering. I'm just wondering why. That's all. I'm happy with our community, so it's not like I'm that upset about it. It's just a weird. Look at this nice move down. Did you just get within? Let's see, 665. There we go. Target hit. That was a 20 and 3/4 point trade. $415. We are up 465 on the day. Hey Nick, about 2.5 years. Started September 2nd of 2021. Oh yeah, I'm here. I'm keep reminding people about news, and I almost totally forgot about the news. Thank you, JC. I mean, I was out of that trade anyway, but still, nice bounce on the Russell there. Russell going opposite of the others. Oh, actually, Dow's heading up there too. Look at that big old candle. Yeah. And honestly, Nick, it's kept me in. I've tried to quit trading several times, and this community is what kept me in. And now I'm starting to see a turnaround. Yeah, there is. And I've always said my issues are totally psychological. You know, I am too risk averse for the most part. Russell makes good moves, RJ. Yeah, you can see here a quick look at the. Well, let's watch our news. Well, we have 30 seconds. Based on what I'm trying to do here, this purple candle here been good. This blue candle here so far have been good. This one here I poo-pooed, and it also would have been good. Yeah, the Russells, but I noticed that of the four indices, whatever, the Russell's definitely the rebel. It's the one that won't run with the others. It does its own thing. There's our news. Let's see. Nothing knocking our socks off yet. Which would be very hard because I'm not wearing socks. U.S. new home sales 0.664 million. They expected 0.649 million. So that was a beat. But the home sales change month over month is actually 8%, and they expected 10%. So that was a miss. Natural gas inventories in 30 minutes. That news report really didn't do anything to the market. Yeah, ES, I'm looking at it now. I mean, somehow Ace always gets his 2 points. He got his 2 points today, but yeah, the only candle there maybe was that green candle for that bounce because we're above. But yeah, this isn't. I I I think Hugh gave me that nice purple candle, and that's what I took that win off of. Nick, is that what you trade? Do you just trade ES, or do you trade any other futures assets? By the way, make sure everyone welcomes Nick. He's new to the stream. And so far, we haven't run him off with our silliness. Cool. Yeah, this is Chapa. I still say it wants to come down some, and it has come down some. But there's a purple candle again on the Russell. Hey, we'll take a Russell trade if that holds. Got it 90 seconds on it. And Q down to its 100 and 200 EMAs, which are almost at the same spot. I have no ATMs at all set up for the Russell. So we're just going to go in naked and then place a stop. I'm not actually naked. Yeah, purple candle went away. Let's see how it finishes. It's got 15 seconds. Oh, not a valid entry for me. Dow sent a purple candle there though. Bro, you should know I only trade naked on my OnlyFans. We actually took a short on the Dow. RJ's like smiling right now. Ah. Look at this. Look at this. Well, kind of hoping it will continue, but come on. There we go. Come on. Come on, vote. Push down. There we go. You mean like always going in with a 10-point target at a 5-point stop or something like that, bro? Is that what you mean? This is pulling back on me. Well, I was over $200 in profit, and now it's come all the way back. You know, I've looked at that, and it's just like it. I mean, I think you still need to base it on what the market's doing. A 10-point target, like, might be too much free market at like 7 a.m., but it might be too little at like after the bell. That's a There's RJ with a great idea. And look at this. This is gonna hurt me. RJ, I blame you. Kidding. I don't actually blame RJ. So I should have taken the quick profit. And now I'm going to take the full stop. There we go. So that did not work out. And if I look at it, I think. So I should have taken a quick profit. It went down 20 ticks and then back up. So we're back down to only being up 166 on the day. ES popped up big there. That was a big good candle. 5.75 points. AQ back up by 28. Back above 700. See you, Nick. Glad to have you here today. We'll see you next time. And still rising up on the YM. All right, JC. Nice. Tesla's still falling. Oh yeah, Tesla's still falling down to 187. It's a 187 on a car maker. Oh, sorry. ES hanging around 49.20. NQ 17,711. Dow 38,164. And we're short at the Russell. Upper right hand corner for the Russell trade. See if this drops back to my entry. My my strategy's not liking me today. Which of course, I tested all this yesterday. It looked great. It's coming back down for me. There we go. Yeah, it's not breaking for me, just choppy. Natural gas inventories in 10 minutes. Candle closes in 5 seconds and it's pulling back to my entry as it does. Eh. Speaking of getting face ripped, should have waited for a clean break of the EMA, I guess. My rookie mistake there. Not that it stopped me out yet. JC is short on the YM. YMCA. Oh, sorry. That's odd, RJ. ES still heading up, NQ heading up. Looks like all the indices are heading up. That was a really bad read there on my part of that Dow trade I made earlier. Ooh, Russell's coming back down. Nice, RJ. Green trade, right? Awesome. Excellent job. So the gold trade worked there with that purple candle that I didn't take. This is getting close to stopping me out. It was probably a bad read on my part. You can see we were coming back up. Think it was going to come right back down. It's probably a bad read on my part. It's actually only 9 people. He might have left now. He might have offended him. Public service announcement. You should never actually give a baby a drill. I keep thinking I should get out of this trade, but yet it keeps, pushing up and then getting beaten back down. So gold's falling. YM falling. Russell. Everyone else is falling. Join them. NQ hasn't fallen yet. No babies were hurt in the execution of this trade. I am short. I'm short on the Russell. Don't ever be afraid to ask. I know sometimes it's hard to tell on TradingView. Come on, push, 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 push. YM's giving me a purple. And now we're on two trades at once, Russell and the Dow. Maybe one can go my way, or they're both going to go the wrong way, and I'll take a stop on both. Gold was the one I missed, and that was the one I should have taken. Nice, dropping them both. Back to my entry on the Russell. Dow falling. What was that level RJ said? $38,105. Okay. So the target at 38,105. Should I put it at 38,104? This is a pausing around 113. Okay, we hit 105 as the target on YM. That was a $180 trade. We're still in the Russell. I don't have a profit. Do I have a profit target on the Russell? I do. Down at 85.3. That may be a little bit advantageous, but we'll see as it's dropping hot here. Drop it like it's hot. Drop it like it's hot. Nice job, JC. Thank you, Sid. Russell still dropping. It's at 1989. I should put my target there in honor of Taylor Swift. Come on down. Move our target up. Maybe not. Hold on. I was going to move the target up to that EMA. Come on, baby. Look at this. Look at the Russell. I thought I was going to get stopped out on this trade. Target hit. Boom. That, folks, was a $425 trade. We are up $763.58 today. Well, it's an eval, so not real money, but I got to start trading that funded account too, but I really want to get this Topstep funded, so that's why I've been focusing on the Topstep. Yeah, everything did fall all at once. And Q actually sent a purple candle there, and that's down 21 since it sent that candle. Thank you, Ace. So, and that's one of the few times I've had two active trades at once, one on the Dow, one on the Russell, and both were winners. Gold's bouncing on its EMA. Everything's bounced all at once. And all that natural gas inventories came out. Oh, natural gas was hating itself all day and hates itself even more now. Look at that drop. Tesla? Yeah, Tesla did. I thought during that drop, Tesla would be dropping faster, but it's really not. I wonder what was leading that drop. All right. Good luck on that, Sid. Crude oil. Wow, crude oil really dropped too. Look at this. Let's take the big chart on crude. Wow. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 straight red 5-minute candles. Excellent, Sid. Gold, a little bounce there. See ES coming up. Blue candle there, and then Q. It's kind of I mean, do we want to go long here? I don't know. I don't think so. About 20 minutes left on the stream. So NQ is a blue candle. And I don't know if I want to trust that. It is above the signal line. I lost Tesla. There it is. Nice. Very nice, Sid. Very, very nice. Apple rising there too. Meta come back up. Alphabet's running today. Microsoft, Amazon. I was watching PayPal just out of curiosity. They supposedly had some sort of major groundbreaking announcement coming out this morning. Apparently, the market doesn't think it's all that wonderful. Have a great day, JC. We shall see you tomorrow. Right now, I need this Topstep account has a $9,000 profit target. I'm at 1,154. So we got a long way to go and a short time to get there. We got a long way to go and a short time to get there. Gonna watch that bandit run. So blue candle there on NQ. I did not take it. I don't trust it. We'll see if I'm wrong. Every now and then that happens. Kidding. Hey, Crypticon, how you doing? So far, looks like we're right on the NQ. Russell sending another purple candle here. Interesting. Sid has just sent me a picture of his Venom car. Give me a second. I'll show everybody. Sorry, Ace. No redhead. Boom, 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 boom. I love that. Just that setting. Everything looks so lit up, and the car just shines. That Ferris wheel in the background. I said, downtown Myrtle Beach. Oh, Crypt. So, are you done getting drunk now, Crypt? Yeah, I was gonna say, where's all the traffic? Did you able to stop and just take a picture like that? It's probably good that you're taking a break, Crypt. And Q, second purple candle here. We are below the signal line. Oh, and that just closed. Let's see. So we're taking a quick short. How late did I get in? 2 points. It's going to pop up and hit me. Maybe not. Yep, it's going to pop up and hit me. So we're going to get back here, which is okay. Have a good night, Crypt. Yep, stop that. So we gave back. I didn't put the stop in the right place, honestly. I should have went with micros on that. It's probably still going to come down, and then I'll regret not putting the stop at the right place. Yep, here it comes back down. Blue Sky just went 40% off if anyone's interested. Running until February 9th. Wow. Yeah, see, now it's back to my entry. If I used the right stop, I would have been good there. So that was my error for not using the right stop. Stop should be at the top of the purple candle. It wasn't. And you can see now it will be back in the green. Gold popping up a little bit. About 5 minutes left to go in the stream. That said, it's not falling with any velocity. Ouch. Now it is. Or was. Right back up to a green candle. Yeah, struggling here around the 17,693 area. Dow continued to drop all the way down to 37,990. It's trying to come back up. It's all choppy now. Too many colored candles hanging on that EMA, so none of these entries are valid at this point. Russell actually would have given another good entry there, that purple candle. Tesla falling again. Ooh, Tesla's falling again. So we've reached the top of the hour. Do you want to thank everyone for joining me today? Good day here in MightyOxTrading. We'll be back tomorrow to wrap up the week at 8 a.m. Eastern Time. Hope everyone has a great rest of your day. We'll see you tomorrow.
If you enjoyed today's live stream, remember we do this every day, Monday through Friday, 8 a.m. to 11 a.m. Hope you'll continue to join us. Also want to invite you to join our Discord community. Great community of traders talking trading and sometimes just shooting the breeze about other things as well. Traders helping traders and encouraging traders there. Also, of course, follow me on social media, mainly on Twitter or X, where you'll always find updates on the latest prop firm discounts and reviews, as well as get notified whenever a new video comes out from Mighty Ox Trading. Have a great rest of your day,